Hey everyone, Drew Williams here with Litra. I'm a commercial content creator based in Salt Lake City, Utah, and today I'm super stoked to show you the 3 new drone mounts that Litra has just released. Let's check them out. First thing we're going to do is actually grab the bracket and one of the torch lights, and then we're going to screw the torch light halfway on to the bracket. You'll also notice that these brackets are facing outward. We're going to go ahead and want those to be on the outside of the drone. The light is halfway screwed onto the 1/4-20 mount. So let's go ahead and grab the whole unit and put it down in between the legs, and now expand this all the way across. And then we're going to put our hand in there and actually spin this bolt. This bolt is really important and critical. This has to get tight in order for everything to stay in place, both the light and the clamps. Let's go ahead and grab this rubber piece that comes with the mount. You'll see 3 different sections. So let's work from the inside out just to make it easier for when we remove the Litra mounts. Hooked in 1, wrapping all the way around for 2. We're locked in. Let's do the other one. Starting on the inside and then working our way out. Good to go. Go ahead and repeat that step again on the other side so you have an even balance on both sides of the drone, and then you're done. Another thing I do want to point out is just to make sure that when installing, these rotor paths are not obstructed. Litra isn't responsible for any damage to your drone, yourself, private property, or anyone else around you. It's the owner's and operator's responsibility to make sure that everything is intact and ready to fly safely. And be sure to check out Litra.com for a full drone and mount compatibility chart. These mounts are simply a game changer when using for long exposure photos and painting the night sky. So that's it. It's that easy, it's that simple. If you have any product related questions, or if you're interested in purchasing any of these mounts, please visit Litra.com. Also, if you have any drone related questions, I highly suggest downloading the Before You Fly app that's available on both iOS and Android devices. From there, it'll tell you any FAA regulations or local laws to fly and abide by. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.